Good day, folks. Welcome to Bright's Mind Academy, where we bring brilliance to every lesson. Continuation of May, June 2023 question paper. Now it is question 3. We're going to continue with number 13, but in this case specifically, we're going to deal with a quadratic sequence thereof. So we are told that a quadratic sequence has the following properties. Now, the first property is that the second difference is 10. The first two terms are equal. Term number 1 plus the sum of the first three terms, it is equal to 28. Now, they say to us, show that the general term of the sequence is Tn that 1. So now, let's say we are told that T1 is equal to T2. Let's say T1 it is X as well as T2 it is X. Then what is T? Then T3, like this, okay? Now, I know what's special about quadratic number pattern is that it has the what? The second constant difference. Now, x minus x, if we were to continue, x minus x here, it is 0, right? Then T3 minus this, it is T3 minus x, right? You all agree with me? Yes. But now, I want you to come here so that you can simplify your life easier. Come to this information. You are told that T1 plus T2 plus T3 is equal to 28. So come here and say T1 it is X plus T3 it is equal to 28. Then what is T3? T3 is going to be 28 minus this plus this, it is 2x. Then it's going to be 2x. Allow T3 to become this value. Allow T3 to become 28 minus 2x. So now, do you see that everything it is in terms of x? Yes. Now you have simplified your life. You just rewrite T3 in terms of x. All right. Now I can repeat the process that I was doing. Now x minus x, I still repeat it, is 0. 28 minus 2x minus x, it is 28 minus 2x minus x. Then this is going to be 3x. So it is 28 minus 3x, right? Okay. Now, now I know that the second constant I was given, remember the second difference, which is constant, it was given to me as how much? As 10. So, but how did I get 10? I know I can get 10 by saying this minus this, it is equal to 10. Then I can start there by solving for x. I can say 28 minus 3x minus 0, it is equal to 10. This minus this, it is equal to that. You all agree with me, right? Yes. Then when I solve for x, it's going to be 28, it is equal to, oh, let's take 3x to the other side, it is positive 3x. Then 28 minus 10, it is 18, like this, okay? Then x, it is how much? It is 6, all right? Now that I know that x, it is equal to 6, I can come here and say, just put 6 here, and 28 minus 12, it is 16, I think, yeah. Then, okay, but what's important is me coming here and saying, all right, I know 2a, it is equal to this, 3a plus b, it is equal to that, a plus b plus c, it is equal to that. Now 2a, it is equal to how much? It is equal to 10. Therefore a, it is equal to 5. 3a plus b, it is equal to 0. But what is 3? What is a? It is 5 plus b. It is equal to 0. Therefore b, it is equal to 3 times 5, it is 15. Then on the other side, it is negative. Okay? Then a plus b plus c, it is equal to how much? The first term here, it is how much? It is 6 in this case. What is a? A, it is 5 minus 15 plus c, it is equal to 16. Mpomaka. It is equal to 6. Now 5 minus 15, it is negative 10. Negative 10 to the other side, it is 16. Therefore, I can now conclude and say, therefore, Tn, it is how much? 5n squared minus 15n plus 16, as wanted by the examiner to prove. I have proven. Is it the same? Let's check. Oh my goodness. Oh, Jesus Christ. Is it the same? Let's do this. I don't know why this thingy here sometimes gives me problem. But yeah, it is the same. Tn it is equal to 5n squared minus 15n plus 16. So 5n squared minus 15n plus 16. So that's how you are supposed to go about that one. Should be fairly straightforward. Now that I have explained it, then the last question, question 3, should be just a short video. Question 3 should be just a short video. Now, is 216 a term in the sequence? How do I get that? How do I get that? I say now, all right, let Tn equal to 216. And then I'm going to say, but I know that Tn it is also equal to 5n squared minus 15n. All right, let Tn equal to 216, right? But I know Tn it is also equal to this. So I can say 5n squared minus 15n plus 16, it is equal to 216. Apply 0 factor, 5n squared minus 15n minus 16 minus 216, it is negative 200. It is equal to 0. Sorry. Then n squared minus 3n minus 40. I think, oh, here I divided by 5. Or I took a as common factor of 5. All right. I took a as common factor of 5. 200 divided by 5. Yes, it is 40. It is equal to 0. Okay. So now factors of 40 such that when I subtract them, they give me 3. 16 and let's see, 40 times 1, 20 times 2, 10 times 4, 5 times 8, 5 times 8. So it's going to be n minus 8, n plus 5, it is equal to 0. Therefore, n it is equal to 8, or n it is equal to negative 5. But remember, n, which is the position, cannot be negative. Therefore, T8 it is equal to 216. This is your final answer. This is your final answer. All right, for 3 marks, that is your final answer. How? You're going to mark this equating these two, then applying 0 factor thereof, then saying T8 is equal to 216. So that's all for question 3. Let's meet on question 4. Thank you.